Good day, everyone, especially to our professor, Sir Robert Flora. I'm here to deliver my topic, which is instructional design in online course development. Definition of instructional design. Some definition of ID is the systematic development of instructional specification using learning and instructional theory to ensure the quality of instruction. It is also the systematic process of translating general principles of learning and instructional instructions into plans of instructional materials and learning. The other definition of ID is a systematic process in planning and producing effective instructional materials. Definition of instructional design is some definition of ID is a systematic approach of course development that ensure that learning goals are accomplished. The other next is the art and science of creating an instructional develop environment and materials that will bring learner from the state of not being able to accomplish certain tasks is to the state of being able to accomplish those tasks. The key concepts of instructional designs is a systematic process, which means that it follows the procedural or sequential approach. The other one is also includes the production or design and development of instructional materials and the technologies to support the delivery and the achievement of the state learning goals and outcomes. The instructional design models. It is the instructional designs no. The instructional designs comes in various models. However, and for the purpose of your present course, let us focus our attention in the basic and simple ID models intended for teachers and novice designers. The AD model stands for analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. This is the most popular and widely accepted ID model. The acronym ED stands for analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluate, commonly used in education. The Hanafin and Peak design model. It is another simple design model that consists only of three phases, namely need assessment, second, design and development, or the implementation shows in the figure. And lastly, Azure model. And Azure model stands for A. Analyze learner characteristics, S. State objectives, S. Select, modify, or design materials, U. Utilize materials, R. Requires learners' responses, and E for evaluations. The primary goal of this model is to produce an effective teaching and learning approach. This model serves as a guide for teachers in planning and conducting instructions using instructional technologies. And a summary. Teaching online requires careful planning, while technologies are there to drive online learning. The teacher remains the most effective medium of deliver instruction. And that's all my report. I'm Joe Marcy Abracoso, signing out.